Hi guys, welcome to Valley Motor Group. My name's Ben. I'd love to welcome you on another one of our videos. This car here is our 2019 Ford Wildtrack in a Biturbo. This car has just arrived, and I have to say, if you're looking for a Ranger, this one's tricked up, cheaper than a new one, and only travelled 20,000 Ks. Locally owned, customers just traded up to something a lot bigger. But yet again, this thing's massive anyway, but as you can see, it's been fully customized. So you've got genuine flares, which are color coded to the car. Unmarked Duco, which will go right around the vehicle. And you do have these wheels, lift kit, and nudge bar on the front. So I'll go through on this condition report. I've also go through a lot of the options on the car. So this one here has got genuine Ford bonnet protector fitted to it as well. You got the genuine Ford nudge bar. As you can see, the customer's optioned up for KO tyres. These things are massive. Like, you have to really see to believe this car. It's got a PEDDERS lift kit in it as well. So the car is a monster in its height. These ones here are 305 5520s. They are massive. They're unmarked and they are really nice. So you got the polished silver through the middle here, piano black finish, and it's wrapped with the Falcon tyres. This is a Biturbo, so it's the 4-cylinder twin turbo, which is the motor of choice in these vehicles. As you can see, you get the daytime running light, projector headlights across the front, and being a Wildtrack, you get dead-on lower or HIDI lower lights. As you can see through the grille here, it is unmarked. A couple of minor bug marks which will come out, and then maybe the odd stone chip through here, but very minor through the front. Coming down there over the bonnet of the car, it is in really good condition. Going to pick 1, 2, 3 stone chips. Keep in mind the car has travelled 20,000 K, so it will get the odd stone chip here and there. Down through the side here, it's in really good condition. You get the Biturbo logo there. Worst part is you keep seeing my reflection in the car. It's that shiny. As you can see, the left-hand front wheels unmarked. These tyres are wide as well. Down through the side of this car, it's unmarked with Wildtrack logo down the side. And you've got the side steps as well. Just coming inside, you get soft touch leather trim on this car as well. Piano black or like a silver grey finish through here. Wildtrack logo across the dash with a soft touch dash as well. Massive glove box with full history, and the canopy, the roller shutter keys have never been used. Car is completely up to date in its servicing and ready for immediate delivery. Plus leather trim, which is unmarked throughout inside. The mats are standard in these ones as well. Coming through in the back, soft touch through the back here as well. Piano silver finish, grey. You do get cup holders down here. Wildtrack mats all the way through, and you do get unmarked leather trims in the back. These seats fold up, give you storage underneath, and they fold down as well to give you child restraints through the back and also storage. Armrest through the back here with 2 cup holders, 12-volt power socket through here, and you also got the AC DC power socket as well. Unmarked hood lining coming through the back. You get high flow diesel as well, so you can chuck it into any truck stop. You get the roller shutter through here, which has got the handle. The current spake one is full electric. As you can see through the back, matching alloy wheel through the back here. Plenty of tread on these tyres, and it does have the PEDDERS lift through the back. Coming down through the side, the F4 drive badges have been taken off. This one, it's really clean and straight down the side. I can't really pick any door dents at all. Through the back of the car, underneath you get a full-size spare. It won't be the same as what's on the car, but it does have an all-terrain tyre fitted to it as well. Coming through in the back, you get easy lift tailgate, so it's really easy to lift. As you can see, it's unmarked through the back. You do get a power socket and 4 tie-down points. Across the tailgate, there's no dents at all. A couple of marks just up here. If I can get the camera onto it. There's just a bit of glue mark, but there's a couple of light scratches here across the top. If I can really pick them up. Tow bar on the back, which is standard. Obviously has been used, but you do have 3.5 ton towing. Down to the side, little scratch just here, which is very minute. And as you can see down through the side, it's really clean. And on the back here, the Ranger badge has been taken off. Down through the side, there's no marks on the side of this one. through the alloy wheels. All alloy wheels are marked down through the door here. Coming inside, there's no marks on this door trim. The only thing I could really pick on the floor mat just here, there's a bit of a wear mark through it, or something's sat on it, but the carpet underneath it is unmarked, so nothing really to worry about. It's done its job. Through the driver's door, there's no marks, and through the mirror. Coming inside, you get full electric seat as well, forward and backwards. Electric windows over here. And coming inside the car, these are really where they come to life. You got, well, we'll start it up first. Push button start. So this one's traveled 20,767 kilometers. You've got adaptive cruise control, so that will adjust to the car in front of you. You do have lane keeping assist, so this will keep you in your lane, and when you veer out, it will pull you back in, which you can turn off at any time. So if you don't like that feature, you can turn it off. One touch indicator, so just tap it, it will flash 3 times, and all your high beams are on here as well. It does have auto high beams. It is standard in the Wildtrack, so it is really tech savvy, this car. Being in a Mark III, you get a bigger digital speedo layout, and also will have traffic signal recognition. So it will pick up if it's 110 zone, it will say 110. If it says 80, it will say 80. Going back through in here, you got your trip computer as well. So this one, even with the big wheels and lift, is using only 10.8 litres per 100 Ks, which is actually really good for what it has on it. You got driver assist through here. So you've got your driver alert, lane keep assist, pre-collision, traffic signs, you can turn it off or on, tyre monitoring, and so forth. And you do have a setting through here where you can change the alarm, the auto stop start, headlights. There's just so many features through here. You sort of half need a degree to go through it, but we do go through that in depth. Just on this side, you got your Bluetooth, your change stations, voice control, and this car does have Apple CarPlay and Android Audio. You have another menu here. This one runs just up the front here, so you can change it and have your navigation up, or you can have your phone up, or you can have the entertainment, so what radio station we'll listen to. You do have auto wipers, so once this is on, the wipers will automatically turn off and on. Easy to pull back to wash it, and you can change the speed just on the side here. Plenty of aircon vents. As you can see, soft touch to the dash. Through here, you got your Apple CarPlay. This is a Sync 3 system, and it is so easy to use. You plug your phone in just down here where the USB points are. Turn the heated seats off. You got your satellite navigation. You just tap on where you want it. Destination's really easy to use. Come back to the main screen. You've got your audio through here as well. Climate control, which you can run here and down here. Phone setup. You've got your satellite navigation, your apps as well, and you got a heap of settings. This one also has ambient lighting, so you can change the lighting inside the car to different colors. It's currently turned off, but if you want to have orange for argument's sake, when the lights are, you'll have orange down here and under the footwell. So it's a really nice, makes that warm, comfortable feeling inside the car. You do have you can use Wi-Fi through the car as well. Coming down, one last feature I didn't point out, which is the reverse camera. You do get the lines as well, and they will adjust where you turn the steering. You got a plus button here, which is zoom in the tow bar tongue, so you can back up, hook up a trailer without having the wife or anyone else help you, or the husband. You got drive, you got a sports mode, and you got Tiptronic through here, so you can override it as well. It has anti-sway through the trailer, and down through here is your stop start. You can turn off diff lockers, hill descent as well. Your parking sensors you can turn off. It will park itself as well, so once you press that, it'll park itself. You got your traction control and your four-wheel drive button through here, so it's really easy to use. Just pick what you want it to go onto. Make sure the car's stationary, it can change. It does have 2 keys as well. You do get an air vent in the center console to cool it down, and it shows the detail. It didn't do a very good job cleaning in there. As you can see, the car is in really good condition. Really a credit to the previous owner. And as we said on a car sales video, the customer changed over for something completely different that will tow a lot heavier rate. So this car here is really set up, and just a stunning car. Will not last long. When they come in dressed up like this, It's got over 6 grand worth of options on it, so it won't last around too long. So give us a call, 5173 3888. That's 5173 3888. My name's Ben. We do have a range of finance and protection plans available as well, and we look forward to speaking to you soon. That's 5173 3888.